Hello and welcome. Okay, I want to give you a super quick rundown on Beachbody On Demand and how to access bod groups. And I really hope that you do join one of my Beachbody On Demand groups. You do not need a Beachbody On Demand account in order to participate in a bod group, but what you do need at least is a free member account. Of course, if you have Beachbody On Demand, then you'll be able to access all the amazing tools that I'm about to show you. But I just wanted to let you know that little tidbit of information just in case you have a friend that you want to invite to the bod group as well, but they don't have Beachbody On Demand. So feel free to refer them my way and I will get them set up with their free account so that they can join us in one of our groups. So first of all, the way that you're going to access your Beachbody On Demand account is just to simply go to beachbodyondemand.com, like you see up here in the search bar. And what you're going to do is log in. So make sure that you're logged in. You will be able to see a ton of cool videos. So I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet for you, but I definitely want to give you a walkthrough. At the top, I'm clicking on programs. And when you click on programs, it's going to pull up all of the different programs that you have at your fingertips. One of the best things about Beachbody On Demand is that it includes each and every program. So let me just show you this one. This is one of my favorite programs. It's called 10 Rounds. It's a boxing workout. I know not a lot of people love boxing, but I freaking love it. A lot of times right here in this banner, you'll have a sample workout that literally anybody can work out with, whether you have the program or not, whether you have Beachbody On Demand or not. A lot of times this sample workout can be shared with your friends. But one of the things that I love about each and every one of our programs is that it's not just workouts. They literally will show you how to do the moves. So you'll have extensive training and form and technique. So if you've never boxed before, you're going to have lots of training. And then we also have a guide. So I'm going to scroll down and show you all the stuff that we have. So you have a get started guide, and this guide book will take you through everything you need to know about the program. Now I'm showing you 10 rounds, but what I really need you to understand is that you have this for every single program. So not only does the program build one building block on top of the other to take you from I know nothing about this style of workout all the way to I am an expert in this workout and show you modifications and everything else, but it also will provide for you a complete nutritional calendar, complete nutrition recommendations. It's going to give you basics like I told you before. So this is a PDF guide for the entire program. Also, you have your tracking tools here too. So you can simply print that out, shows you how to take your measurements, all of that good stuff. So let's go back. You also have, with every single program, you have a nutrition guide that you'll be able to download. And this is specific to each and every program as well. I'm just going to quickly scroll through to show you some of the cool things about this. They have principles, right? So it tells you all about principles, talks about our superfood Shakeology, all natural, nothing fake in there, talks about a performance line. So it gives you a breakdown of all the different things that are available, but let me show you beach bars, all the different products that you have. That's all in the beginning of this program guide, but we also have Daily Sunshine. It will give you a breakdown of the Ultimate Portion Fix, which is basically portion control. It's tracking your macronutrients, your proteins, your fats, your carbohydrates. And then, of course, it talks about the 2B mindset. Also, so these are our two main tracks of nutrition now. If you go back to some of the older programs, they have a complete nutrition guide in and of themselves. But within the more recent programs, I would say the last 2 years or so, we really talk about one of these programs as your nutrition guide. And it's going to tell you how to figure out your nutrients. It'll tell you how many calories you need. It's going to give you recipes. Now, this is the coolest part. Each program has different recipes that you can really gravitate towards and start to use. And it's going to tell you how to count it in either program, the 2B mindset or with Portion Fix. Okay. So what I typically do whenever I'm tackling a new program is I like to go straight to the recipes and I print the ones that I know that I would eat. Like I would eat this one, but I wouldn't eat this one. So I'm not going to print that. A breakfast salad, I think salad for breakfast is weird. I would not have that personally. I would have this. So I would go through and I print the recipes that I like, and then I use that kind of as my shopping guide, so I know exactly what I need to shop for that week. So that's just one of the cool things about what we have available in Beachbody On Demand, is we give you a complete nutrition guide. The other thing every program has is the workout calendar. So this workout calendar is going to tell you which workouts to do on what days, which is fantastic. It also will tell you which ones to do for your rest days. Now, I'll be honest, when I did this program, what I did was I combined my 2 lift days. I did boxing 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I did my lift days, I think it was all on Saturday. And then that freed me up on other days of the week to do other workouts. And I was doing a couple other different programs. So you can be flexible. You know, I've done programs where I just go in order of the workouts, but I didn't necessarily do that exact workout, you know, what they say day 1, day 2, day 3. You can do whatever you want. You have so much flexibility, but we do have a calendar for you if you like to follow a calendar. It talks about just different various things about the program. Okay, now let's go back up to the top. I don't want to make you dizzy. Just want to tell you, I'm going back to the top. Everything that we just talked about is under the Start Here section, okay? The next section is the actual workouts themselves. So each program is going to have a section like this as well, where you're able to click right into the actual workouts, okay? And this is where you go, oh, week 1, day 1. Here you go, week 1, day 2, week 1, day 3. So you can literally just go like this and check each program just like that, all right? So you have a workout routine, you have workout materials, but then you also have program materials over here. So each program, like I said, you have all of this stuff available to you at your fingertips. Another cool thing that you can do is, instead of searching by, so here's, look at this, sample meal plans. There's just a ton of information here. Oh yeah, and in Spanish as well. So a lot of our stuff we also have in Spanish as well. Let's go back to programs. There we go. You have the new and featured section. You have the recently watched section. So those are the ones that I've recently done. Here's the most popular section. You have the nutrition center. And then you can even search for things by A to Z. Or if you want to find programs that will help you lose weight, you're going to find that. If you want to find programs that's going to help you build muscle and strength, you'll have that. If you want to find programs, so you can see that you can search by categories, you can search by name, you can search by the style of workout. Another cool thing that you can do is also search by, you can do it this way, newest, you can go A to Z, or you can go by experts. So one of my favorite people, because she has been a business and she's been a mentor of mine forever, is Chalene Johnson, a personal mentor, business mentor, friend of mine for the longest time. So all of her workouts are here with Chalene Johnson. All right. So there's just lots of different things that you can search for. And I wanted to give you a complete overview of how to do that. Now, to access the BOD groups, so our actual interactive challenge groups where you can join with me, it's right up here next to this little Beachbody On Demand. Then you have programs and you click on this one that says BOD groups. And these are all the different workouts that I am hosting, I'm an admin of right now. And all you do is you can just request to join right here in the BOD groups section. More than likely it's going to say this, groups run by your coach, and it'll probably say Holly Hireman, because Christine is actually my coach. That's why that says that on my account. So you'll see this first, groups run by your coach, Holly Hireman, and then you're going to see these different groups up here. The one that's always, always, always ongoing right here, Wellness Community. So I hope that this helped you. Please feel free to reach out. I cannot wait to meet you in person. I am here for you 100%. So just reach out and I will talk to you very soon.